we can do it ourselves. I am sure, I've been working on this project for the last 2 years. We are doing solar, we are doing wind, we are doing biodiesel. We have our own solar plants. We have a solar pumps that we will use to pump water out from the ground. We have made RO plants, which are the reverse osmosis plants, which will convert the sea water into sweet water. We have wind turbines that we have installed here. We are working to make drip irrigation systems. What drip irrigation system means? It's a very simple thing. When a child cries, it is given milk from the bottle. It only takes the milk that is required. Nobody throws the milk away. Right now in Pakistan, what is happening is that water is being wasted. People flood their fields, even if the field does not need it. They use these expensive diesel generators to pump water out. We are going to use drip irrigation, and from drip irrigation we will give water to each plant. Jatropha takes 1 liter of water per month. This is a very hardy tree. 1 liter of water per month is like just you buy this Nestle bottle of water. That is all that it needs. If we cannot afford drip irrigation, we will put matkas or surais in the ground next to it. We will fill it. The water will ooze out. We will have people water carriers, which were called mashkis. We will have those people water this plant. If 1 acre gives 4,800 liters, if you take today's price, what is today's price of diesel? 62. So you multiply 48 multiplied by is how much?
297,000.
297,000 rupees. This is the income per acre. 297,000 rupees. No crop gives this much money. We will teach people. We will go with them to their fields. We will get the banks, the Zari Tarkhezi Bank, all of them involved to help the farmers. We will give them the solar water pumps. We have made this into a simple science. A farmer can make this oil using a bullock, a bear, what we call Uluka bear. They can take this oil out and they can put it in a generator which will give them electricity. 1 acre will give 1 kilowatt of electricity for the whole year. Now it is so simple that every farmer here who has a tractor, if he uses 3 acres of land for getting oil for his tractor and 1 acre of land for his electricity, and they can do a cooperative, that they can have 10 farms or 10 villages or 10 homes who 1 generator, their own oil, and they are pumping this, then that village will become productive. And all of this is available today. We have grown these plants by what is called, some people call it DNA, but it is basically tissue culture. We have grown these plants by tissue culture. For 8 million acres, if we have 1200 trees, that means we would need a lot of saplings to plant these 8 million. We start 1 acre, 10 acres, 100 acres, and using these laboratories, even PCSIR has laboratories that can grow these saplings. So by using tissue culture, in 2 years' time, we can have 8 million saplings that we can plant. It is now incumbent upon me and you and everybody to get this project going. We are ready. We are in Islamabad, and we will help anybody who wants to do it. We will help the ordinary farmer. We will help the cities, the government, the industrialist. I'll give you another example. An industry, if by the time we have these 20,000 megawatt of electricity that is being generated, every house, every building, every office, every factory has a generator in Pakistan. The minute the electricity goes, is load shedding, they turn on their generators. Instead of using foreign imported diesel, they can have their own farms growing jatropha, and they can have their own diesel. That means that if a factory is using 1 megawatt of electricity, 1 megawatt of electricity per year costs $1 million if they are using diesel. They save $1 million. That saving is their earning that goes to the bottom line. The buildings, you go out here in Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, every building has these huge generators that they are sitting. And a CNG gas station has a 250 kilowatt generator, and this 250 kilowatt generator consumes 25 liters an hour. It takes 200 acres of desert land to grow jatropha, that one CNG gas station will not have to buy diesel oil. And that is, they spend about between 30 to 40 lakh rupees a year just to buy this electricity. If this gas station saves 40 lakh rupees, from that 40 lakh rupees, they can not only give higher salaries to their workers, they can have a bigger profit. And if we go step by step, our rupee will start going up. I met a lot of people all over the world. Everybody says what we earn and send back home, the saving. If we can just earn enough in Pakistan, that saving amount, we will not live anywhere. Pakistan is one of the best countries in the world. It is for us to understand and realize that all the Pakistanis, they are working. When you go to the Middle East, you will see Pakistan is sleeping in a room, 10 people to a room, hot, because it's so expensive there. They want to save the money. They will come back. If we have the money, they will not stay anywhere. They will make Pakistan. We will make Pakistan. And if our industries are working, we have electricity, we have water, we have jobs, our money has a bigger buying power, we can make this country what it was supposed to be. Okay? Anybody who steals bijli, who steals electricity, is a bijli haram. This should be stopped. We don't need to go out and beg. We don't need to be humiliated around the world. We got to stop. And we will stop, and it will start from us. We are going to help the people of this country become what we are capable of. Inshallah ta'ala, all of you, we all work together, there is no limit. So if you people are ready, we are ready, we will go to the next step. For any questions or any comments that you have, you can write us an email. My email is smastan@gmail.com, smastan@gmail.com. I'm here in Islamabad now. I have Qazi Zulqadar, Farooq, Arif, all these people, Ubaid, everybody helping us. So now I have conveyed my message to all of you. May God bless you. May God bless Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you.